Did you know, on average, 950 people moved to Florida every single day in 2020? The Sunshine State attracts new residents with great tax incentives and, of course, beautiful beaches. The three greatest financial benefits are, number one, Florida doesn't have income or estate tax. Number two, Florida offers great property tax benefits. And number three, Florida has one of the best homestead exemptions in the country. The Florida Constitution prohibits the collection of state income tax. This is a pretty big deal given that all but 7 states levy income tax on their residents. For example, income tax rates from 2021 range up to 8.82% in New York and up to 13.3% in California. That's huge! You can see that high-income earners will save a ton of money by relocating to Florida. The lack of an estate tax makes the state especially attractive to retirees. There is no inheritance tax here, and beneficiaries don't pay federal or state income tax on inherited funds. There is a federal estate tax, but it only applies to an inheritance that exceeds $11.58 million. What about number two, those tax incentives? If you become a permanent resident in Florida, you can apply for a homestead exemption on your primary residence. Florida offers exemptions from property tax assessments of up to $50,000 on homesteaded property. The first $25,000 of assessed value is exempt from all property taxes, including school district taxes. The second $25,000 is taken from the property value between $50,000 and $75,000 and applies to all taxing authorities except school board taxes. The Save Our Homes Act, the legislation that grants the homestead exemption, works like this. A homestead's property tax will not increase more than 3%, no matter how high property values climb. If it's a second home, they will not climb more than 10% annually. This saves residents from facing significant tax increases during periods of real estate price increases. Floridians can take these savings with them when they move from one Florida property to another. This is called Homestead Portability. The maximum tax benefit a homeowner can port is $500,000. If you buy a more expensive home, you will transfer the dollar amount. If you buy a less expensive home, the portability transfers the percentage value of the previous deduction. In 2020, Floridians voted to pass Amendment 5. That increased the portability timeframe from 2 to 3 years. Florida offers great financial benefits, but it also affords a great quality of life. To learn more about relocating to South Florida and specific neighborhood amenities, head on over to Real-ativity.com, the site for intelligent real estate.